Hello my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing part 2 of my So You Only Have 10 Minutes series, and I'm using the March 2021 sketch from Alicia of Call Me Crafty Owl. When we left off, I was almost done with this card base, which would be the last one. We're going to be putting on these strips, and we're going to get started with the stamping. So I will set my clock for 10 minutes. And here we go. Okay, let's finish this last one here. And now we're going to put these on. I picked 3 different sentiments. One to go on the front for interchange. And I'm going to use 2 colors. I'm going to use Elegant Eggplant and the Pear Pizzazz. Whoop. I'll be popping the sentiment circle upon foam tape. I really like this super big clock face here. Oh, here we go. When I'm on a time frame like this, it's really hard for me to talk very much. I don't know if that bothers some of you or not. I don't know. It's just it's hard for me to do more than one thing at a time, I think. Multitask, but not multi-focus. All right, we're almost done with these. Okay. All right. Let's get out the white pieces and stamp those. Now I use scraps to cut these white pieces out, so I've got some that are a slightly different color white, but I don't think it's going to matter. Matter of fact, I know it's not going to matter. All right. Okay, let's do I've got Thank You for Being You and Smile, God Loves You. And I'll do half and half, 6 and 6. Okay, make sure I'm in frame here so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, I'm going to do 3 of each color and 3 of each sentiment, and then I'll switch to purple. Elegant Eggplant, actually. Here we go. This Smile, God Loves You is a set from Mamie Made It. Okay, now we're going to clean them off real quick. And do purple. Elegant Eggplant, I'm sorry. There you go. Two, 3. Okay, and now this one, Smile, God Loves You in Elegant Eggplant. And then we should be done. And I had one extra just in case. There we go. Actually, that one does have a smudge on it, so let's go ahead and use that. That figures. I mentioned it and then I messed up. So just like as a nurse in a hospital, if you say, "Boy, it's quiet around here," you will get shot because 99.9% of the time it's going to get unquiet very quickly. So I don't work in a hospital now, thank goodness. Okay, so there's these. I'm going to glue them straight onto here, and then we're going to pop up the entire thing on foam tape. Okay, there we go. There's our 10 minutes. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them put together. And everything is stamped. You just got to finish putting them together. These are all done. The fronts are all done. So I will see you next time for the third part of this. And we're going to be putting the sentiment on and our little decorative piece. So please stay tuned. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.